Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some Jamaican Brown Stew Chicken. This deeply flavorful, rich and downright addictive Jamaican Brown Stew Chicken starts with chicken that has been intensely marinated in a variety of aromatic spices, then braised down into the best savory liquid. So if you want to learn this delicious mouth-watering recipe, please stay tuned and let's get it started. Let's go. These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make my Jamaican Brown Stew Chicken. Over here, I have me some soy sauce. You could use whatever brand of soy sauce you have. I have some browning to give added color. I have some tomato ketchup. When you're cooking down your brown stew chicken, you're gonna need some ketchup. If you don't have this one, use the ketchup that you have. Now moving on to the season. I have some meat season, Blue Mountain Country. If you got meat season, use it. Just use whatever you have. I have some black pepper. I have some salt to give it added taste, but I'm not gonna use a lot of the salt because all the dry season have salt in it. We don't want it too salty, you know. I have some paprika powdered season here, so I have some ginger, garlic and pimento. Some all-purpose season. This is a must, guys. You need this to season your chicken. I have some pimento seed, some onion powder. And we're not going to use a lot of these seasons, just a little bit of everything. Some crushed red pepper, some ginger. I have some chopped garlic. I have me fresh thyme and my Scotch bonnet pepper. Got me some chopped onion. I have me some bell peppers right here. Tomato. Scallion. I have me my carrot right here, all cut up. And I got my whole chicken. And I've already cleaned my chicken with vinegar and lime. Take away all of the rawness. You know, that's the way I clean my chicken and stuff like that. So you want to make sure, guys, your chicken is cut up, packed dry and ready to be seasoned. Okay, so if you want to learn this recipe, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe and let's get this started. At this point, we are going to season our chicken with our dry season. So now I'm going with my all-purpose seasoning. As I said, guys, just adding a little bit. All right, that is good. Added me some of my browning, and you can get all of this in your local supermarket or any Western Caribbean supermarket. This is good. We don't want to add a lot because we don't want our chicken to taste bitter, so that is fine. Going in with some of my soy sauce, and this is optional. You don't have to add it if you don't have it. That is adding a little salt, just a little salt. Now we are going to give this a rub. All right, guys, so now we are going to add our veggies to it. The Scotch bonnet pepper will come last when it's cooking down. And to make my chicken sweat, guys, I normally cover it up. So just cover it down and leave it like for 1 or 2 hours time, depending on how much time you want it. I'm gonna leave it for an hour time, and then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna check on it. Everything gonna sweat and looking nice, and then we're gonna cook it up. So see you guys back in 1 hour. We are back. Take a look at my chicken, all sweating and looking really good. Hold on, let me show you guys. Look at that. This smells really good. OMG. Look at that sauce already. Let me give you guys a closer look. Look at that. OMG. So what we are going to do now, guys, we are going to make sure so the chicken is brown up on everything. We're not going to fry the chicken with the seasoning. We're going to take off all of the seasoning, guys, and then now we're going to get it started. So to my Dutch pot, guys, I'm going to add me some cooking oil. And I'm just adding oil so that our chicken can be fried. All right, that is good. And we're going to let the oil heat for like 1 minute. Now I'm going in my chicken. Now guys, we're gonna turn them on the opposite side. So my chicken is getting golden brown. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove it because we don't want to get our chicken burned. So this is what my chicken over here looks like after I finish getting them golden brown, and looking really nice. Cannot wait to dig in these babies right here. And as you can see, I didn't use my herbs, my seasoning, because we want to make sure our chicken over here is well fried, and then we're gonna cook it down, and then we're gonna add all of the niceness to it. So we didn't add this. We're gonna add the veggies when our chicken is being cooking down. When it at a little tender stage, we're gonna add all of this right here. See that juice? That's all that seasoning. We're gonna make some juicy, flavorful, delicious gravy. Alrighty guys, so let's move on to the next process. Don't be alarmed by the look of this right here. We fried our chicken, get them golden brown, and it's looking like this because, you know, we fried the chicken to get them brown, and yes, it's fine. It's totally fine. We're gonna make some nice gravy. We don't want to change the pot. We want to use this pot to get the flavor from this right here. So we're gonna go in with our chicken. Just gonna add everything to the pot. I'm going in with some garlic cloves, just add into it like that, and we're gonna cover this until 15 to 20 minutes or until our chicken is tender. That's when we're going to add our veggies. We are checking on our chicken. Look at that. I'm just gonna give this a stir. Wow, I just can't wait to dig in this baby right here. Oh, wow. My veggies are not yet ready to be added, so I'm just continue cooking it down. We're just checking on it. Right, just cover it back. See you guys soon. Alrighty guys, we are back. Oh, look at all of this right here, guys. and it's getting tender. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, it is time for us to add our veggies. So I'm just adding it just like that. Up next, guys, I'm going with my tomato ketchup. And now we're gonna make the gravy thick and nice. Just add that amount, give it that stir. Look at my gravy already. Now I'm just gonna add my Scotch bonnet pepper. So at this point, I'm going to give it a taste test. And it needs a little bit more salt. Give that taste test again. Perfect. Perfect, guys. I'm going to cover this up. See you guys back in 15 to 20 minutes time until it's cooking down and my gravy is being formed. So we are back. Take a look at my brown stew chicken. OMG, guys, it's all finished. The smell right here and the look of it is everything, guys. I don't want to break it up, but take a look at my gravy. Look at this right here. Thick and nice. Gotta give it a taste test to this. Oh gee, let me taste it, guys. Super flavorful and nice. You need to give this a try out in your kitchen. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just going to go put this on a plate. It's time for us to dig in. It's the brown stew chicken for me. Look how my chicken touched on my plate alongside with some white rice. You cannot beat that, guys. And look at my gravy. Ooh la la. Alongside with some fried plantain. You cannot get enough of this recipe right here. Brown stew chicken to perfection. Look at this, guys. Tell me in the comment section how much you would rate my brown stew chicken. This is a must-try recipe. I'm not lying to you. You will love this because it was super flavorful, full of flavor. When I say flavorful, ooh, bon appetit. You need to give it a try. Your family will love it and you will love it as well. I am going to dig in right now because your girl over here is drooling and I'm hungry. It took me a while to vlog this video because I want to make sure it is well clear so you guys could get it. Yes. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Turn your notification button on so you don't miss out any video that we post. New content is coming up. And I know you don't want to miss out on all of this niceness right here. It's the brown stew chicken for me. Look at that. Don't you want to taste this recipe? Give it a try. So guys, thank you so much again for watching. Have a blessed week. Please stay warm. We had a snowstorm. Please stay warm. Please stay safe. And wear your mask. And also, guys, don't forget to comment and tell me what you love about this delicious recipe. Please do not forget to tell me what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. And guys, if you're making this recipe, send me some. Alrighty, guys. Bye, guys. See you soon.